Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to automate effect parameters in the multitrack editor. Soundop supports the automation of parameters for both track effects and clip effects. You can edit automation envelopes for track effects in the editor panel, and edit automation envelopes for clip effects in the clip automation panel. To view the envelopes, you can add automation lanes. Select envelopes to show in the lane. And choose the active envelope in the lane. To resize an automation lane, you can drag the separator to change its height, and maximize or minimize with the toolbar. To reorder automation lanes, you can drag to change the sequence. To remove an automation lane, you can remove the selected automation lane, or remove an automation lane with the shortcut menu. And you can change the visibility of an automation lane. Hide all automation lanes of a track, and hide all automation lanes. To record envelopes, set the automation mode to write, latch, or touch. And you can prevent modification of an envelope when recording by locking it. Automation of parameters is enabled when the automation mode is red. And you can disable automation by setting the automation mode to off. To edit envelopes manually, click on the envelope to add a point. To select envelope points, click on a point to select the point. Hold the Control key and click on a point to add it to the selection, or remove it from the selection. Hold the Shift key and click on a point to select a sequence of points. Drag in the lane with the Object Selection tool to select points in the time range, and select all points with the shortcut menu. You can click on a point in the selection and drag to change the value and position of the points in the selection. To move a segment, hold the Control key and click on the segment and drag. To edit the point value precisely, right-click on a point and choose Edit Value. And you can use the spline mode to change the parameter smoothly. To apply the same track effect envelopes to a clip when moving a clip, you can turn on the option to move envelopes with a clip. Some shortcuts for automation lanes. Maximize the selected automation lane. Minimize the selected automation lane. Select the next lane. Select the previous lane. Toggle automation lanes. Toggle all automation lanes. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.